Hi, I am Mrs. Connie Ang Talanya Magnaya Gementisa Jr., also named as Mrs. Connie Ang Talanya Magnaya Quezon the First. So my currently situation, days tends to kills me, and then I am pure. When I am and I say pure, on my life, personality and attitude basis, I tends to do goodness on life. So those person on my right ear, they tends to create a dirtiness on my life so that myself be ruined. That is what they is doing before my wedding is happen. And then there is voice on my ear, kid age, which is bad person. I wish that kid be dead because of utos ng utos, telling a body movement to a specific person on my right ear to do something so that myself be ruined. That is my currently situation this year 2025. They is envious about the wedding over in I am pure. What they're doing is invading on my interfere on my memory and then creating a situation of which is bad doing, such as myself is first kiss only Alex Jr. ko, and then the criminal tends to do something of which is I not think of. I am sleeping a while ago. And then that Bobo camouflage is putting the blame to the brother of Alex Jr. ko, of which is they is look alike, look similar. I'll talk now. So that is year 2025 happening. This location, yung Lower Bikutan, is so dirty. Nakakadiri. And then the voice on my ear that talks is killing me. Baboy Karen Talanya is as well on a situation of killing myself, which is slapping my ear. And that is all. Baboy Karen Talanya is papansin, telling me to think, oh my God, telling me to think of which is not my life already is what they want me to think for their own life, even though I myself should think only on my life. That is what is happening. Baboy Karen Talanya is criminal. Putting myself on hurting. They just want to slap my ear. Nakakadiri. And then I am college degree. I know how to speak on fast mode when it comes onto college, English dialecto because I am college degree. What is as well they targeting is my college degree of such as bachelor degree. I not want to socialize to them. Nakakadiri. That is how they is pervert. Bobo. Mga bobo. And then there, I could not cite progress in my situation. The situation is should be already there is person that already be dead. What else could I say? They is not part of my life. They is killing me. It is good that I talk synchronous sequence, and then the other word is step by step of the year so that myself be understood of what is happening because they is killer. One more thing, during year 20, I am on year 2019 talking. Why? Because the Talanya cousin suddenly shows themselves and then such as, I not know. Wait, I just talk. And that I have just talked. What it is on about Talanya relative, it is two situation. The first is on the right side, they tends to go to Taguig because it is already being known of such as about money when it comes onto Lotto. I don't know what it is. And then the other is my mother tells them to rent on the house. I not know why. Offers them to rent on the house, on the renting house. That is to situation. Ayan na, may body movement. This body movement of myself, as I say, to situation. The right eye is on pervertness. That is the not on my life. I am not pervert person. The right eye, when I say such this figure of myself is such as the right eye is on a thinking process of uh, bad, uh, how to describe it? Pervertness intention, such that is the vibes. I know vibes intention of such that, and I know vibes of such that over in pervertness when when I did such this body movement. So that is what is being put on my life, of which is they putting illness, mostly is heart pain illness. The bobo camouflage short height. That is why I say, saka lang sasaya yung bansang Pilipinas kapag namatay yung bansot na yun. I wish talaga it happens. In English, only if that bansot, if that short height will be killed, the Philippine will be happy. Literal. Uh, only will be happy the Philippine if that short height will be dead. Strategy of them is to be clingy to a person that is they tends to use as for their own intention so that they could do about badness of them. Next, myself, I could feel that the right eye is putting me on blame. I not want them. I will never socialize to Talanya relatives because that is, they is kadiri. Those cousin, second cousin, first degree cousin, not know to my mother. I not want them. The left ear is angry at the moment because my talking is truthfulness. What else could I say? They is bad person. Oh my God, being clingy of baby Shara on my life. Their attitude is bad. The baboy Karen Talanya nga, the baboy Karen Talanya is doing, is on a creation of situation. Wants myself to be uh, on that rental house. Wait lang. This is what the baboy Karen Talanya is on creation of situation. There is a black magic. She wants to rent on there on that house and then putting myself on that house of which is second floor. That is what their intention. And then from that, I not like. Why I not like? Because myself is should be with Alex Jr. ko and not them. So meaning to say that Baboy Karen Talanya wants myself uh to to residents in there over in on the second floor. She is as well in there. That is so criminality of them. And myself is I need to be with Alex Jr. ko already. So what they're doing, and the use of black magic, they create a situation, body movement, of which is myself is being hurt. That is what they're doing. That is how they is killer. And then, uh, it is rises on my left eye, my moment on mining. I not know why, but it is rises the memory. It is recently, my moment is about coin visiting, making a production of coin, production of mining here at Philippines, and then office staff at airlines. That is those deepness panaginip, which is rises. I not know why. And then the next is visitation on establishment. Ganun. It is leveling on my left eye. Silence, which is the Bobo camouflage is targeting my left eye. Bobo camouflage, Bobo Philippine camouflage, criminal killer, short height. Criminal, that person is gold digger. And then I am 29-year-old already. When I say arises, the memory is somehow from deepness, putting it on so that I could cite the deepness memory of myself, such as the on key, the metal, no such da, ayan na naman. Ano ito? My memory on production of coin here Philippine, they tends to chismosa. And then it is Tito Ronald Gonzalez is what Ronald Gonzalez Magnaye is watching it. Oh, that is my panaginip production of coin on my left eye. They is looking on it, not want them. Color gold, never white. Ay, tamik to! Ate, tamik. But that is the truth. Observe myself in there. Looking. I am not kabado at the moment. So I will talk now. What else could I say on year 2019? I am on September. I am near on 2020. 2021 is what myself wants to talk because that is there. Oh my God. Wait lang. I write this all. Ayo. Ay, next to. I am with adult person during that moment. I'm with his number. I could feel his number person. I will talk now. I will share this. Oh, it's super weird. At the moment, there is anger. It's never anger. on the right eye because of what I say. This one, no, I write previous day. I am thinking of what is happening to Alex Jr. po, and then this is the start of it during college degree. The meaning of it is the existence of Alex Jr. po on my life. I am lover of Alex ko. College degree is busy mode. Board exam civil engineer and then accountancy during that year is during college degree of myself has board exam, need to focus, need to talk. What else could I say? Kakaloka. I could feel previous day that my mother is being manipulated about such as what do you call that? Mm, influence, being influenced, causing. Not want to think about it. So why such that? I not know. They is thinking of how that happens. Me and Alex Jr. ko on a car, black car. Myself, I not think of that. It is a scenery, panaginip, happening. I need to be with Alex already. What else? September na, I will talk. So, uh, what will I talk on September? About Dante Ang. When it comes into Dante Ang, the right eye, my right eye is uh, such as chismosa, chismosa meaning to say uh, they tends to know about the body movement of Dante Ang and then Alex Jr. ko of how myself being out of this situation. That is the right eye is doing, chismosa. And then, of how myself is being out of this situation on the use of black magic. Kaya nga, I need help. They not stop. Nakakadiri. Look at it. I am goodness person. I not tends to do body movement of what they as well, what is they doing on their life, and yet they is killing me. My skin tone. Yeah. At the moment, the GR that the person that is talking in my ear is pervert. What else could I say? Uh, I see that year 2018, the bad person does not stop. The Bobo camouflage is never on my life. That person is criminal. At this moment, this pervert tends to interfere the pervertness of them on my talking. I will proceed now on year 2019, and then uh I will proceed now on year 2019. What is happening when it comes onto the word pervertness? The bobo of the Kabit number two wants to interfere so that they could get of what is mine. Nakakaloka. I will talk now. Year 2019. On year 2019, September, myself is energetic. Mostly my feeling, my life existence, myself is energetic. It is never sadness. That is why during year 2022, myself is on already saying myself is being killed because myself is being put on sadness. They slapping me multiple count. Precious Crucendico, such that person. My life existence, energetic, happy person is me. Truthfulness as well that is, I say, they tends to kills me, tends to get of my enjoyment on life, they not want me to enjoy, such that truthfulness is what I say. While I talk, the bad person is on rants because of they want to put me on dirt. Yakadiri, they is not part of my life, meaning to say they level is not my level. My intensity of intelligence is not their intensity of the intelligence. They is killing me. Meaning when it comes to intelligence, I have doctor vibes. Doctor meaning to say, self careness. What it means is such as careness when it comes to life existence, meaning uh, this is my hand. So to be delicate, what should I put in here? Something such that. That is myself being a doctor vibes. And then sometimes I have a fever. What to do? I will not wait so that I will wait for 3 day or 4 day before myself is such that. Ganon. They is pervert at the moment. I could feel on the right eye. Pervert. What else? That is a doctor vibes on myself. That they is ruining. That is why I talk. Because I know to myself of my capabilities. They is so criminal, killer. And then, mostly here at Taguig, I not know, but I think they is on a situation of putting on zombie mode those person so that myself is could not be ay na no time ko what else could I say while I talk such this my family is as well on regaining, especially my father. And yet, the Bobok Philippine camouflage criminal killer is on a situation of afraid because the lifestyle will be put on level. That is how the killer is. I not know why. Tapos mo na yan? Not yet. No, my mother holds Inumin mo na din para di mo masayang naman yung pagtimpla ko. Tahimik ko. My mother suddenly holds food for dog. Myself is being put on such as dog. Now, I'm college degree graduate. Manipulation is the meaning of it. Manipulation, meaning to say the life is on poor only. Not want you, I'm college degree graduate. What I am saying is personal life is what there is interfere. There is pervert. Gold digger na. There is. Gold digger. Thick face on money. Haloka. At somehow myself is on a situation of could breed. Haloka, man. What else? They is such as reporter and then telling that to a specific person. Over in Bobo camouflage, the Bobo Philippine camouflage criminal killer is backer of Kabit number 2. Nakakaloka sila. On my memory, they is kumpulan such as being clingy or attached to each other. Where is that? That drawing. So that you know of how they is so killer. Backer, Diyos ko. Ay naawang bobo camouflage. My babies. Ay naawang din. I want my baby at America. America. I will see that panaginip if I am in there already. This one the slash head. American Alex. This one, oh, they tends to be attached to each other, clingy, especially Rachel Angel Senior and then the girl gender market. I not know why. When it comes onto discipline and respect on myself, I have my mother and father. My father and my mother is the person that puts me on a situation of discipline and respect. And then when it comes onto that, it is depends if I did wrongdoing. I not doing wrong. Even Jeans Day is putting it on, talking of creation of situation so that to ruin. Nakakaloka. May red vein is they get. May red vein. The long red vein. Color red and then a cherry red. Oh, it is in there. At the moment, it is on my hood to count. They getting it. And there is a black magic. No, no, that is bad. Doing. Talaga Philippinize me. Oh, there is on strategy oh. Pero sila strategy I not know about them. Doing. On myself, I am not mangkukulam. I am not touch black magic. Oh, I'm not touch black magic. That is why, description of something. Your description. I not know. I not touch black magic. Timing ko. That is very wrong. Bad person. I not even cite black magic. I just read what you call that? The paper that being give of albulario. My right eye is onto that, telling me to read it, telling me to open it, right forehead. No. There is Latina wordings. Na know about it. Year 2018. Albulario, I need to say the albulario. Count. So the first count is December 30, 2017. The second count is November uh, year 2018. The first albulario is opposite girl gender. Evening treatment it is. The next is year 2018. The first albulario visitor on the house. The second albulario is a girl gender on gate 3. The third albulario is La Union, girl gender, hilot-hilot, massage. That is year 2019. Bloated my tummy already during that moment because of Respiridon and then Dival. And then the next is, they is good person. Oh, good person they is. The next albula, they put me on drink swallowing oil, coconut oil. You know? And, the next albulario is Batangas. At Batangas, it is opposite girl gender. And then does not touch me. The next is, oh, I feel cry. Myself will go in there with Alex ko, with my bebe. Ay na ano. Tahimik ko. Gano, tahimik. That is the fourth albularyo. Ah, Roderick Kid as well shows in there. I not know why. Tahimik ko. The next is albularyo, Dr. Kwak Kwak, here Philippine. The next is, what else? Albularyo. Taguig City. Uh, Visitor in the house. Putting ice on my head. And then drinking oil. And then massage. That is year 2018. The next is opposite girl gender. The next is opposite girl gender is not the lesbian. It is opposite reproductive organ of girl gender. When I say opposite girl gender. Next is albularyo manggagamot. Manggagamot is manghihilot, massage, or albularyo Dr. Kwakwak. On the Taguig as well, it is saying there is person, she is saying there is person that playing on myself, which is, oh, there is a right forehead, a right eye, there is person. And then, the next is albularyo, I am on 6 count already. Oh, year 2018, that is the doing of my parent. Because I say myself is, there is person doing mangkukula, doing black magic. They tends to put me on albularyo so that myself be cured. Ganun, my situation. What else? But myself is only just go at school, Asia Pacific College, and not travel to any other location except Luneta Park. On Luneta Park, there is no crowded person. Mamaya, mama ko tiklop.
Ikaw ang taga-tiklop ha, pag nakapaglaba-laba ako ikaw basta ikaw ang taga-tiklop. Hindi ko na trabaho ang magtiklop Kahit man lang yan magtiklop na lang sa'yo.
And then the lover colleagues ko, the next albularyo is albularyo what else? Yun. Manghihilot, massage. Number 7 is from Cagayan, which is on a specific location I not know here at NCR. Las Piñas, I think. Nata na Las Piñas. I not want to say Las Piñas. Where is that? Muntinlupa or Las Piñas? I not know. That person is massage my reproductive, the bone. They say they say low, on the low level, and the low that should be on the upper. About pregnancy, there is the number 7. Angel Luxin is putting me on baog, could not pregnant. I not know why. Year 2021. I will talk about it as well. The next is number 7 already. Number 7. What else do that is year 2018. The I already say on La Union year 2019, on Taguig City year 2017, Manggagamot, and then year 20, the next is the Visitor year 2018 as well. So the number 7 is Albulario. On Taguig City, the year 2018, putting cold ice on my head. Year 2018 that is. Number 7. Number 7 is level next ko. Did not stop. I will talk. Number 7, Albulario. I will talk because they is doing pervertness on myself each day I live. They is killer. Even this year 2025 and then myself is being put on Tenga mode. I should be with Alex Jr. ko already. The next Albulario is next Albulario. The next Albulario. 7 Albulario only. Oh, there is at the gig for Bonifacio number 8, opposite girl gender. They tends to put something on my sikmura. What do you call in here? And about in here, sikmura this is stamina. Stamina. Sikmura. I not know English of sikmura. That is Tagalog word. On the lower portion of chest, that is where they put something. And then, what else? Number 8, there is from Taguig City, Fort Bonifacio. What else? What else it is? Number 8. Nothing Albulario already. Oh, the recently Albulario on Makati City, year 2025. On my ear. Yes. No. So now, that is number 9, Albulario. Lover ko, Alex ko. The next is, what else, Albulario? Married kami ni Alex.
Inumin mo na yung Korean para di masaya.
I will just drink my milk. Anak, milk, choco. mostly what they're doing is uh, swallow tends to put me on swallow coconut oil. There is no pain when I drink of such that only the eyes, water eyes on hair that is so ache that is ache. Why ache? Because I am on a life over in warm, not never on cold. That is why I got at mall so that I could feel cold. Ganun. Timid to. Sometimes I not use electric fan because myself is on warm and then I feel cold. Ganun. I just, okay. And then, 9 albularyo. 9 albularyo it is. Mm, one count only Sumipirama is inside of the church and not want to talk about it. Only one count lover is myself. 9 albularyo. Nothing more albularyo. There is number 10 albularyo, mother and son. Weird that is. Weird. Weird. I'm not crazy. Damn it po. I not criticize the person. On tagig as well. Mother and son. The son is child. Damn it ko. I'm not putting them on shame. Damn it ko. 10 albularyo. Year 2018. What else? Oh, 11th albularyo, Batangas. In here, 11th albularyo, Batangas. I vomit it. Vomit. That is being on Jessica Soho, the girl, gender, albularyo. Dr. Kwak Kwak. 11th albularyo. I am person that is albularyo. Albularyo. That is albularyo. The next is number 12, albularyo. Year 2018 as well, that is year 2018. The next is number 12. 12 albularyo. Oh, bait nila, Meritan. The 12 albularyo is, saan yun? Muntinlupa, opposite girl gender. Massage. No. So that is 12 albularyo. Year 2022. Year 2022 that is. What else? Massage in here. What else? 12 albularyo. La, 12 na sila oh. Tapos may ito. Ako lover ni Alex. It has, what you call that? I don't know. Storage of photo. Number 12, Charis. I not use black magic. I not touch it. Oh, what is the description of that? The red. I not know. Oh, that is good. The Cartihan is the lifestyle. Tahimik ko. What can see? 12 na, that is. 12, 13. 13 there is on Muntinlupa. 12 or 13? 13 on Muntinlupa. Or 12. No, 13 already, Muntinlupa, year 2022. And then, what else? I am lover of Alex ko. 13. Oh, number 14. Quezon City, girl gender, look alike of Nandinisin. They tends to burn my feet. I don't know what it is. 14, that is 14. What else? I don't know. I cry, what year? Year 2021? Year 2021. Lover ko si Alex. Next is, number 14, there is. The next now is, lover Lex ko. The next is, wait, next to 14. 14. Number 15. Wait, I'll just pick. Size. 14 Albulario.